Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be part 2 of my fragrance mist collection. I know you're like, girl, where's part 1? Okay, part 1 will be out, but it will be out in the future. I don't have a date on it yet, but it is a collab, so definitely stay tuned for that video. It's going to be extra special. So yeah, I'm going to give you part 2 though, because I hate to keep you guys waiting. Y'all been wanting to see something in the fine fragrance mist, so I'm going to show you the huge part of the fine fragrance mist. So this is the huge part. This might give you all the feel you need, and you probably don't even need to see the rest, so who knows. But let's go ahead and get started. I had this little cute little stuff in the thumbnail. Y'all know this ain't all my fine fragrance mist, but I had to make the thumbnail make it look like I ain't crazy and a hoarder. Yeah, so I started off with this and just put it in the thumbnail, y'all, but that ain't nothing. I'm going to show you what's here first. I already did all those. Y'all see that in part 1, but I want to show you what's over here. And then I got this big thing right here, y'all. Let me show y'all. We're gonna go through this whole thing. Look how huge this is. Oh my God. I can barely hold it. Oh my God. Let me put it back down. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go through all of that because that's a lot of mist. So let's get started. So the first one I have here is Wild Lime Gardenia. I'm probably not gonna read all of them. And of course, you know, with the newer ones, they don't have anything really written on them anyway, but that's that one. Lovely Dreamer. Someone asked, is this going away? I think it went away last SAS, but the notes in this one is Fluffy Musk, Clean Woods, White Iris, Fresh Bergamot. This is the only one I have left in it. I have a Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Love Bright Lemon Snowdrop. This is from the Christmas line that just passed. I have another Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Y'all will see a little bit of a history of that, a little repeating. Capri Coastal Citrus, aka Lemon Drop Martini, right here in the mist. I have Christmas cookies because I absolutely love Christmas cookies, so I have a Christmas cookie. I have the Hibiscus Guava Fresca, looks just like that. And a few from Pink over here as well. Moon Petal, which is one of my absolute favorite from Pink. I have this one. It's so sweet. I need to pull it back out. I'm so happy I see it. This is the Victoria's Secret Peach Squeeze. It's really good. I like this one. Another one I really love is the banana one. So I have the Banana Twist. And I love this one from Victoria's Secret. Of course, Love Spell. And I have it in like every form there is to have Love Spell. So yeah, that was everything that was left over there. So let's show what's in here, okay? Ooh, so excited. Another Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Looks just like this. Love Bright Lemon Snowdrop, okay? We have the Margarita Cupcake. Love Margarita Cupcake. I have Beach Nights. Love Beach Nights. I'm going to leave that one right there because it needs to go back in here. I have Rosé, excuse me, not Rose Champagne, it's Rosé Champagne. I got that one. I have the Pink Watermelon. I just love the packaging. It is super cute. So I have one of those. Another Margarita Cupcake because I really like the Margarita Cupcake. It was amazing to me. Another Margarita Cupcake. I told you guys, it was amazing to me. I have the Twinkling Nights. It's all right, so I only have one of those. Cactus Blossom. Cactus Blossom, I gotta be in the mood for. If I'm not in the mood for her, she will give me a headache. But when I'm in the mood for her, she smells amazing. So I have one Cactus Blossom. I have the Boardwalk Taffy. This wasn't my favorite. I thought this would be my favorite, but nah, this didn't end up being my bae. I thought it was gonna be my bae, but it wasn't. This ended up being my bae. I absolutely love this one. This is Beachfront Blanket. Love it. I love the dryer sheet scents. That's life to me. So yeah, I have Beachfront Blanket. You'll see that quite often in the collection. I'm just gonna let you know, okay? This is the Sea Salt and Lavender. It's all right. We have the Coastal Hydrangea, however you say that one. Yeah, only one of those. The next one in here is Amber Blush. And then the last thing in here is the Saltwater Breeze because I love this. It's one of my favorite lines of this year that took me by surprise. And this is the Diamond Shimmer Mist. So yeah, that's everything that's in here. Before I get into the big boy, I do want to show you this as well. This is what I'm using right now in my bathroom. This is Beachfront Blanket. Y'all, another fine fragrance mist. Look how much of this I used already. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm using it down because I'm telling you, this is one of my most favorite scents. Like, I could just spray this like all day. You can bathe in it. You can bathe in it. You can bathe in it. Hey, you can bathe in it. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, that's enough. But it smells that good. It smells that good though. It's that good. I absolutely love Beachfront Blanket. So yeah, now we're done with this. Now on to this big boy. Again, this is all of them. I cannot believe I own so many fine fragrance mists. Like, this is bananas. And I do have stuff from Mercari. It's not in this stuff. I'm going to make a separate video for Mercari stuff only. And then I'm going to list them online. And that's how I'm going to get started back with Mercari. Because I have in my closet over there a whole Mercari store in there. So Mercari stuff is separate, if that makes sense, from my stuff. Because I don't like them being near each other, you know what I mean? They got to be separate. Like, this is for sale, this is mine, you know what I mean? So I keep it separate, and I think that's good for my customers too. But anyway, let's get into it. We have Secret Wonderland. Love Secret Wonderland, especially in the what was the one I fell in love with? I think it was the body cream. Yeah, I fell in love with the body cream, so I had to make sure when this came in stock and they had it again that I got one. So I got Secret Wonderland. I have Confetti Cake Pop, looks just like this. I have Beautiful Day, looks like this. This is one of the older packagings. Sugar Cranberry Cider. You have the Bali Black Coconut Sands, looks just like this. I am going to leave that one out because I need to start using that. I do like that one. Another Hibiscus Guava Fresca. Why do I have two? I don't know. So this one right here, I'm going to be giving away to a relative because I don't like it enough to have two of them. I have a Saltwater Breeze, of course, that's Bay. So I have a Saltwater Breeze. Carried Away just because I wanted it because the packaging was really, really cute. A mini Frosted Coconut Snowball because it smells good, but I didn't want a big one of it. So we'll just put that one right there. I have the Pretty as a Peach. Love Diamond Shimmer Mist. They're so cool in the summertime. So your skin is glistening, you know what I mean? So that's why I got this one. I'm just going to leave that out because it is summertime and I like to glisten. I have the Winter Candy Apple. I just got it to make sure I had a whole set of all the ones that came out for winter. I have another one of the Bright Lemon Snowdrop. I have another one of the Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Y'all, I'm Bright Lemon Snowdrop. Ow! I have the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. I think this packaging is really cute. Got that a couple SASs ago. I couldn't pass this up. It's Night Bloom and Jasmine. I think I got this 2 SASs ago. I can't remember. But it was the last one that the store had. And I said, you know what? I will regret if I just don't have one. So I picked that one up. I do have the Sweet Escape Strawberry Picnic. This one was given to me from Joanna. Thank you. So I have that one. I have Very Naughty from Pink. I have the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Seduction Shimmer. I need to leave this out. I'm telling you, things that shimmer, I'm just gonna put that right there. Things that shimmer need to be left out because this is the time to shimmer and let it show, okay? Twisted Peppermint. Another Beach Nights. And y'all been asking me about Beach Nights from Mercari. Wait till I show y'all the Mercari stuff. I got a few Beach Nights in there. Tahiti Island Dream. Looks just like that. I got that one. I have the Sweetpea Diamond Shimmer Mist. Because, again, summertime. You gotta shine. I got the Vanilla Bean Noel. And this one's almost gone. Look at that. That's all I got left. I need to leave this one out, too. Because I need to just finish that up. It ain't much of nothing in there. Cocktail Dress. Y'all remember this one? Yeah, so I got Cocktail Dress. Gingham. Yes, I got Gingham in the Diamond Shimmer Mist. And this is when Gingham was on sale for $4.95 that one time. So I went ahead and picked that up. I have the Fresh Gardenia. I have the Strawberry Pound Cake. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Let me spray it again. I ain't sprayed it in a long time, like since it came out, so. Let me spray again. Let me try it again. Yeah, Strawberry Pound Cake just doesn't do it for me, but I'm gonna keep it because it's mine, you know. I need to have at least one. Velvet Sugar, love Velvet Sugar. I have the Fresh and Clean What is this? I have the Fresh and Clean Chill. This is from Pink. Love that one. I have the Mediterranean Blue Waters that came with that $3.95 line. That was a pop-up. Love that one. This is old school, and I'm trying not to use this all up, but I'm telling you, this cools the skin off. Oh, I got this so many years ago. It's been like 5 years or so. The Coconut Water Chill. They need to bring this line back. I loved this whole line when it came out. This needs to come back. Bath and Body Works, come back with this one. I loved it. I have the Sweet Cranberry Rose. Don't know where the top part is to it, but I have it. We have the Christmas cookies. Here's the top of it. Christmas cookies right there. Got the Soak in the Sun. So yeah, I need to use that up. Another Beach Nights, because I love Beach Nights. You know what I mean? I have the, what is this? Twilight Woods. Little fun fact, Twilight Woods is one of the first scents I've ever bought myself as an adult from Bath and Body Works. So Twilight Woods. Pink Chiffon. This is my all-time favorite scent from Bath and Body Works. If you want to know my favorite sweet scent, Pink Chiffon, OG, triple OG, okay? This was from the Color Run, and I was able to find this last SAS. This is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Not a big fan of the scent, is aight, but I just got it because it was 75% off. I have a Papaya Paradise Cove Fine Fragrance Mist. I only have one, I think. No, I'm probably lying. We'll see. I got a Hello Beautiful. Love the packaging of this one in Hello Beautiful. I have Jasmine in Green Apple. And this one, I got a SAS, I think like a couple years ago. Like when I get a lot of these, it's because it's at SAS and it's 75% off. That's when I stock up on my Fine Fragrance Mist. And sometimes I just overdo it because y'all can tell I overdo it. This is the Whipped Vanilla Chiffon. I got this with one of my free rewards. This smells really, really good. We have the Vanilla Bean this weekend, and this weekend looks just like this. Don't know when I got that one. Then we have Waikiki Beach Coconut, old packaging, but I got it at a SAS 1 year. We have one that I absolutely love, y'all. I love this one, and they need to bring this whole line back. Chestnut and argan, or argan, yeah. So the fragrance notes are chestnut, argan, sandalwood, musk. This bomb. They need to bring this back. I like it. I think I have another one of it too. No, I have the amber and argan. I got that one too. The Twisted Peppermint, and this is the Shimmer. I have this. This is from the Body Shop. It shouldn't even be in here, but it's just a peppermint foot spray, and it works good. It cools your feet off. I really like it. The lavender and sandalwood. Y'all remember when I fell in love with this like 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago, and I still love it. It's still a really good scent, but I think this is my last one. I got a Happy Vibes. Happy Vibes has been discontinued. Notes in this one is pink citrus, crisp pear, fresh honeysuckle, sheer vetiver, and dewy orchid. What else is in here? We're almost done, guys. I promise. Peony, just peony. You know, that's all it says. It's just peony. Fell in love with this one last SAS in the winter, I think. I don't know when it was. No, in the summer. So last summer's SAS, Maui Mango Surf. Love Maui Mango Surf. So I think I have 2 of them in here. Yeah, 2 of them in there. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this one. Love it. We have Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction, and this is a shimmer. I'm gonna leave this out because y'all, shimmers, this is the season to shimmer. I'm just putting some on my leg. This is the season you need to be shimmering, so I'm gonna leave that out. That way I have different options for shimmer. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of that. It smells so good. Okay, let's move on, okay? I have another Beachfront Blanket. Come on, y'all know I love Beachfront Blanket. I have a Ice Pear Margarita. I need to leave that one out so I can get the top to it because I don't know where the top is and I don't want it to leak in there. Tutte Duste. I have the Pink Peony Cream. Holding on to this for dear life. Y'all see how much? Look, that's how much I used since I got it long ago. I have another one from Pink. This is Iced Blossom. Don't know where the top is to that one. Gotta find it. Then I have a Fresh Sparkling Snow that I got at the winter SAS, I think. Magic in the Air Diamond Shimmer Mist. I have a Wrapped in Sugar. I love the packaging on Wrapped in Sugar. I have a Watermelon Lemonade. And I have the Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower. It's good, but I don't want to keep buying it every year because I ain't even get through that one yet. So I won't be buying it anytime soon. We have the, give me the top back. We have a fresh coconut culotta. I have the warm vanilla sugar diamond shimmer mist. This is just good to put on first, and then you can layer on whatever you want because this doesn't give off much scent to me, not much at all. So I just got it for the shimmering effect, and it was 75% off at the time, so I got it. I have the apple blossom fine fragrance mist. I have a hot cocoa and cream. I have the frosted snow blossom because I needed at least one of them in my life. That's it, guys. That's everything I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed, I guess, the new part 1, but it's really part 2 of my fine fragrance mist collection. It's quite a bit of them. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but I love mist. I love different scents, and it's nice to see what I have, what I need to use, what I need to get through. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.